Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing the Realme Watch 2 from your phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Realme Link app, so open the app on your phone, and on the home page of the app tap your watch's name under My Devices. Scroll to the bottom of the options and tap Delete Device. Tap Delete again on the pop-up. Your watch will restart and you will have to connect it to another phone in order to use it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.